So this is one of my new stencils. And now these two flowers, there's something etched onto here. I don't know if you can see it from there. Let's try to get it a little bit closer. But it says here, I don't know what the best way to view it is. It says, match up triangles for layers. And then you can see these triangles correspond to these other triangles. So just to be clear, these two triangles match up triangles, 4 layers. These two triangles correspond to these two triangles. So if you wanted this flower to layer, let me grab a tag. I'll show you what that would look like. Okay, you know what? This tag is not even big enough. I have these little triangles, and I can use a pencil or anything I want just to indicate where they are, right like this, so that I know. And then I'm going to put down, this is, first of all, the green part, which I don't have any green paint. So we're going to make it blue. And then the interior part of the flower, I'm going to make that yellow. You know, if I mix some of that yellow into this teal, it'll actually go a little green, I feel like. Okay. So I remove it, and this is what I have. So now I can see my little green triangles, or my little triangles. So I'm going to go ahead now and line those triangles up again. And now, oops, I can add in my flower color here. And there you go. I have this really cool layered flower now. And then these pencil marks I can either erase or leave or incorporate into part of the background. But I think that's really cool. Just remember, when you see this thing and it says match up the triangles for layers, that's what it means.